The SQL Programming Essentials 2021 Immersive Training. Learning and mastering how to build, work with, handle, and manage tables and databases can be a very useful and powerful skill and tool for any programmer, developer, and also non-programmers. Can be very useful for anyone, and by the end of this course you will be able to manage, work with, access and manipulate tables from databases and also the whole databases with the SQL language easily and in no time. You will learn the SQL programming step by step from the ground up. You will master the structure query language, and this language is one of the most important skills and tools that any programmer, developer, engineer, or even an expert must possess who wants to succeed in his practical life. The SQL language really facilitates a lot in accessing, managing, and manipulating tables, data, and databases simply. And this immersive training is so powerful, unique, direct to the point, effective, interactive, and will save your precious and valuable time. You will learn the SQL language so quickly, and in this course you will learn and master each concept theoretically, and after learning and understanding the essential concepts for the SQL programming, you will apply these concepts practically. So if you want to advance your development career, this course actually is for you. This course will help you a lot to master the SQL database programming. And also, if you want to master the SQL programming quickly and in no time, this course also for you. In this immersive training, you will learn everything you need to program with the structure query language the right way, and you will become a SQL programming rockstar. Hi, my name is Ahmed Ibrahim. I am a software engineer, and if you need any help or any questions during this course, please ask me and I'll answer you as soon as possible. I am here always to help you. Thank you so much for watching.